Hi, my name is Jay. I'm an advertiser manager. Welcome to the tutorial on campaign creation. We've got some interesting things to cover. We'll be creating a campaign for an antivirus product with the goal of a positive ROI or ROIS.
The first step is to create a campaign name, which we'll call Antivirus Desktop and Mobile US. We'll target only desktop, smartphone, and tablet users, as most of our audience is under these devices. We'll be targeting the US as our main audience. It's also essential to mention that inventory forecasting, which is the previous day's traffic volume. So make sure you're paying attention while making adjustments. In the second step, we'll focus on targeting the right audience. We'll begin by targeting Adcash Pop SSP, starting with Adcash Direct Pop Supply only, before eventually scaling to other SSPs or formats based on performances. We'll also target all user interest, website categories, devices, content, and connection types, including adult, since our offer allowed it. Now that we've covered targeting, let's move on to creatives. Here's the pop creative we'll use. Let's talk about bids and tracking. We'll be using 3-bid CPM option with capping 1 impression per 24 hours per device. With 3 bids aligned on averages, we are picking CPM over other bid types to ensure overall bid competitiveness. We are picking 3 bids over single bid to ensure that we are paying the fair price based on the traffic quality tiers and to ensure that our bids are competitive across all traffic tiers. For tracking, we've already created 2 Adcash goal/postbacks, one for tracking installs and the other one tracking sales. It's a must for campaign optimization to track conversion events, ideally multi-events that reflect our campaign conversion funnel. Tracking sales allows us to pass our payout per sale, which is $120, enabling us to see our campaign ROAS or ROI within Adcash Performance tab. Conversion value can also be passed via our sales postback. Tracking installs allows us to not have to wait for sales events to come in to start with our campaign optimization process. We'll get back to that on our part 2 video coming up related to best tips for campaign optimization. Our daily budget is $120, and we've enabled spread throughout the day. Why 120? Because we need to gather enough data while testing to actually be able to optimize. We trust the money lost during the testing will be recovered on post-optimization. We've set daily impression for zone sub-ID to 5,000 to ensure that large traffic source won't cannibalize our $120 daily budget.
That's it for part 1 of our tutorial on campaign creation. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll optimize our campaign. Remember, campaign creation is an art. It takes time to perfect. Keep trying new things, and you'll get there. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below or contact with our team at contact@adcash.com. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see content more like this. Thanks for watching.